Hi, I'm Sally Thibault. Now, in this video today, I want to share with you a little lesson I learned on the weekend about the power of running your own race at your own pace. Now, where I work out every day, where I walk, I have to go across quite a long bridge that gets me down onto a road and then to the beach. So on Saturday, I was feeling really quite powerful and strong, and I thought, I'm going to challenge myself to jog along the bridge rather than my normal fast walking. So as I set off, there was a woman that sort of came up beside me, and I thought, gee, she's got great form. I think what I'll do is I'll just match her stride for stride to keep up at her pace, because she looks like she's got this kind of whole thing really together. So I'm matching her foot strike. So as her foot hits the ground, my foot hits the ground. Her foot hits the ground. So we're matching, okay, at the same pace. I'm making sure I'm mirroring her. But no matter how much I mirrored her, did exactly what she was doing, she started to pull away from me, and I'm thinking, how's this happening? I'm actually matching her foot strike for foot strike. I'm doing exactly what she's doing. How come she's pulling away? Until it suddenly hit me. She was about 5 inches taller than me. So her stride was actually way bigger than mine. And right then it made me realize, you can't compete against anybody else. Her journey across the bridge was her journey. My journey across the bridge was my journey. But if I tried to keep up with her, I would have ended up, exhausted at the end of the run. I would have actually probably stopped. I wouldn't have kept going. But isn't that true for anything? That if you are competing against somebody and trying to keep up with them and not honour where you are in any journey going at your own pace, then you'll eventually burn out and probably stop and give up, which is what I would have done if I had tried to keep up with her. So check on your journey, and it's really difficult on social media sometimes because we see other people celebrating their wonderful successes. Nobody ever shows you the journey, the bumpy journey along the way to get there. You only see the after photos and the before photos, not the messy photos in the middle. So wherever you are right now on your journey, your challenge is to run your own race at your own pace, unless you're an Olympic athlete, of course. But other than that, the only competition you have is to be better tomorrow than you are today, to make those small incremental changes on your journey. The minute you get into trying to compete with somebody else, follow somebody else's program that's not yours, is the moment that you lose sight of the real you. You will get there in your own time at your own pace. But competing or comparing yourselves to others doesn't do you any good at all. In fact, it can be detrimental to your health, mentally and physically. So drop me a line, let me know. Put a comment below. Do you find yourself trying to keep up with others and compete against others when really you should be just running your own race?